How to send money from ABN AMRO to revolut. Here's some clear steps guide to send money from ABN AMRO to revolut. Firstly, open the ABN AMRO app on your phone or log in via internet banking. Then log in securely using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. From the home screen, tap on Payments or Transfer Money option and select New Payment to create a new transfer. Go to your revolut app and find your revolut IBAN and BIC and copy or note down your revolut IBAN. Back in the ABN AMRO app, enter your revolut IBAN as the recipient account number and enter revolut as the beneficiary name. Type the amount you want to send in euros and add a payment description for clarity if needed. Review all details carefully and tap Continue or Confirm. Approve the payment using your ABN AMRO app confirmation. Thanks for watching.